In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the padding in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And down below, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my newsletter campaign. Now, from that campaign, head over to the right-hand side. In here, you will see the action section. And from here, click on the edit button. Now, that will take you to the preview of your newsletter. From here, head over to the fifth section on content. On the right-hand side of content, click on edit design. Now, that will take you to your email. Now, from here, what you need to do is simply head over to a block, any type of block in which you want to change the padding. On the left-hand side, if you click on the sections, in here you can choose a section in which you want to change the padding. Let's say we want to change the padding of the body, so we will select body. From the body section, head over to the bottom and click on padding. And once you do that, you can change the padding of the top and the bottom. Now, if you want to be specific on the block, you can also do the same. Let's say you want to change the padding of the image, click on the image block. On the left-hand side, you want to head over to the second tab and click on styles. Now on the padding section, if you have apply to all sides, you can have a single value to have the same padding from the top, left, right, and bottom. If you want to add a custom value, then just make sure that this is ticked off. From here, you can set a padding to the top, bottom, left, and right. You can also do the same for simple blocks like a text. On the left-hand side, you will also have an option for its padding as well as buttons. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.